Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Well, the wind is picking up for us around middle Georgia now. What you're really seeing here are your sustained wind speeds. Eastman 18 miles per hour, Abbeville 17 miles per hour, McRae 18 miles per hour. Those are the breezy spots right now in terms of sustained. And of course, those are also where our gusts are the strongest. I wish I could see the number down in McRae right now, but Abbeville gusting up to 29 miles per hour, 26 in Eastman. And of course, in Macon, I already mentioned, we're gusting to 25 miles per hour. So definitely seeing those pick up, and that cloud cover and wind only going to intensify and fill in more as we go throughout the rest of the day and into the back half of the week. Here is Hurricane Ian. It has just finished an eye wall replacement cycle. You can tell because the eye is becoming circular again. Now, you're going to see the recon here, the information, 155 miles per hour for the sustained winds. That is top end category 4 speed. Hurricane hunters, though, have reported sustained speeds of 158 miles per hour for 10 seconds. That means category 5. So Ian is very likely a category 5 hurricane right now, and unfortunately barreling right into Florida. But as you can see, there's still a bit of room for error off of the Georgia Bight there. That would be Friday evening, potentially landfall in Savannah. So we'll have to wait and see how that ends up rolling as we go through the next few days. And that's when we'll learn about more of our rain chances heading into the weekend. Today's definitely a cooler afternoon. We're mainly seeing mid to upper 70s. Our warmest spots up to 77 and 78 degrees. Like Dublin was our hot spot at 78. The wind just can continue to be strong out there as we go through the rest of the day, and tonight it will intensify more as we go into tomorrow. I mean, we're already seeing some of these type gusts, so they may even be stronger. We could be seeing gusts up to 35 miles per hour as we roll into tomorrow morning. Definitely going to be strong out there. You see those numbers. You will want a jacket with lows in the mid-50s. However, rain chances, you see those little spots there. Don't think we're going to see that tomorrow. Our rain chances, we could see some tomorrow night into Friday morning, but they're lucky to hold off until at least Friday. And that's all dependent on how Ian tracks. If it tracks the way this model is, the built-in one with our software, well, we aren't going to get very much rain at all anywhere in middle Georgia. It crosses Florida, keeps going northeast, and then makes its way into Charleston, South Carolina, and we just get some cloud cover, maybe a couple showers in our far eastern counties, and that is it. However, the American model takes it right at the border of South Carolina and Georgia, if not just north of it, and so that would bring us some rain, not a whole lot in Macon, but you see those numbers getting closer to 2 inches heading further off to the east, and then over 3 inches in Augusta. Now, the European model takes it straight into Savannah, which is similar to what the National Hurricane Center is seeing right now. Look at that rain total for Savannah, 8 inches. I don't care where you are. That's causing flooding, all right? Regardless of what the wind is. We're talking tropical storm at landfall. This isn't going to have much wind when it comes in here, but that is flooding numbers, all right? We're seeing up to 3 inches in Milledgeville, almost 4 in Dublin, and up to 2 in Macon. But again, it depends on how far east this track ends up going, and the trends greatly just continue to take it further off to the east. In 10 seconds, we're going to check out your 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. As of now, I do still have us down for 70% on Friday. That's not for Macon, though. That is for middle Georgia. But if that track continues to go east, we will see both Fridays and Saturdays rain chances drop, as well as Thursday nights. And it really just end up being cloudy and breezy the next few days, if not just windy for a couple of them, before we head into next week with some lingering showers from the storm carrying us into next week.